Singabulanga sibuyele ngokuze sifuqe.
Hayi lokho ukugcoba sizagcoba. Lapho nxa ungakupholi khonokho i-reaction ephume kuhulumende iyakhuluma ukuthi hayi labo bamatasatasa. Nxa ukhangela i-reaction from i-Chiefs Council, i-Provincial Chiefs Council, i-Judiciary, i-Ministerial level, i-Law Enforcement Agencies.
Yes.
Ndlela zonke benza amaphutha izolo. Thina sihambe ngendlela eqondileyo. Sasebenza ngendlela eqondileyo. Bona benza amaphutha elandelana. Yikho ke since izolo thina we are now international. Imbali yethu is international. Abanye in other parliaments kwezinye indawo khona befunda ukuthi amandebele akhona eZimbabwe. Amandebele, by the way, labana who suffered the genocide, they still exist. Amandebele, by the way, labana abacela devolution of power, they still exist. Abanye abathi amandebele labana who are seeking a nationhood, they still exist. So yesterday was a triumphant day. It was a very good day for us.
Very true.
On all levels. All I would say, if I was advising the government, the current government, would be